question number 1. Chemical oxygen demand COD is determined by using options 1. Methyl orange, 2. Acidified potassium dichromate, 3. Acidified bleaching powder, 4. Alum and quicklime. So in the laboratories we can test COD levels by using acidified potassium dichromate solution, that is K2Cr2O7 with 50% sulfuric acid. So we can go for option 2. Question number 2. The species formed in the depletion of ozone layer by chlorofluorocarbons in free radical mechanism is options 1. ClO free radical, 2. Fluorine free radical, 3. O2F2, 4. ClO2. Due to depletion of the ozone layer, the chlorofluorocarbons attacks on ozone and forms Cl free radical or ClO free radical. So we can go for option 1 for this question. Moving to question number 3. Ozone is useful in dash layer, dash region and harmful in dash region of the atmosphere. Option 1. Troposphere and mesosphere, 2. Mesosphere and troposphere, 3. Thermosphere and stratosphere, 4. Stratosphere and troposphere. If ozone is there in troposphere, it becomes air pollutant. If ozone is present in the stratosphere 10 to 50 kilometers or 11 to 50 kilometers, it is helpful for protecting the life on the earth by stopping ultraviolet radiation. So we can go for option 4. Moving to question number 4. Carcinogenic pollutant is option 1. Carbon monoxide, 2. Sulfur dioxide, 3. Benzopyrene, 4. Peroxyacetyl nitrate, that is called PAN, PAN, PAN. So among these, the cancer producing carcinogenic pollutant is benzopyrene. Exhaust fumes of automobiles release this benzopyrene, so we can go for option 3. Moving to question number 5. The pollutant which deteriorates the plant cellulose. Option 1. Benzopyrene. Option 2. Peroxyacetyl nitrate PAN. Option 3. Benzene hexachloride BHC. Option 4. Sulfurous acid H2SO3. The pollutant which deteriorates the plant cellulose is again peroxyacetyl nitrate, so we can go for option 2. Moving to question number 6. A wrong statement regarding the classical smog is, there are two types of smogs, classical, okay, and photochemical smog. So option 1, observed in winter seasons. Option 2, it is reducing in nature. Option 3, it is due to carbon particles and SO2. Option 4, it is observed when solar radiation is high. Wrong statement regarding the classical smog is, classical smog is nothing but it's a winter smog. It is reducing in nature and it is due to presence of carbon as well as sulfur dioxide, but it is not observed in solar radiation. That is called to be photochemical smog, which is oxidizing in nature. That is called summer smog. Therefore, what is the wrong option among this? We can go for option 4. Moving to question number 7. Question number 7. Which of the following does not contribute towards the formation of photochemical smog? Which is not responsible to produce photochemical smog? Option 1. Nitric oxide. Option 2. Sulfur dioxide. Option 3. Ozone molecules. Option 4. Hydrocarbons. In the previous question also we have seen just now, okay, which of the following does not contribute towards the formation of photochemical smog is sulfur dioxide, because it is responsible for classical smog. So we can go for option 2 for the question number 7. Moving to question number 8. Which one of the following substances is used to reactivate the deactivated filters in the activated carbon method of defluoridation technique? Defluoridation technique is used to remove excess fluoride ions in the drinking water. During this process, we use several methods. One of the methods is we use filters packed with fluoron 1, fluoron 2 chemicals. After some continuous usage, they may be exhausted. Exhausted fluoride ions can be reactivated by option 1, defluoron 1, option 2, bleaching powder, lime and alum, option 3, 4% sodium hydroxide solution with 1% phosphoric acid solution, option 4, 4% of sodium chloride solution and then 5% sulfuric acid solution. for regenerating, reactivating, reviving the fluoride ions which are exhausted during the process of defluoridation, we can make use of 4% caustic soda in a word solution along with 1% phosphoric acid H3PO4 solution. So we can go for option 3. Moving to question number 9. Nerve toxins are NaClO3, sodium chlorate, option 1. Option 2, sodium arsenate, Na3ASO3. Option 3, organophosphates. Option 4, rodenticides. The nerve toxins consist of organophosphates, so we can go for option 3. Moving to question number 10. In Antarctica, ozone layer is depleted because of the formation of option 1, acrolein, it's a vinyl polymer. Option 2, SO2 and SO3. Option 3, peroxyacetyl nitrate, PAN. Option 4, formaldehyde, HCHO. In the Antarctica region, ozone layer is getting depleted because of the formation of HCHO, that is formaldehyde. So answer is 4 for the question number 10. Moving to question 11. Pollutant of automobile exhaust that affects nervous system and produces mental disease is options 1, lead, option 2, mercury, option 3, nitric oxide, option 4, sulfur dioxide. The pollutant which is releasing due to automobile exhaust fumes, it is causing nervous system effects badly. It is because of the lead contents which is released in the petrol vehicles. That's the reason we are using nowadays unleaded petrol, because this lead when enters into the body, it is causing mental or related to nervous system or mental diseases. So we can go for option 1. Question number 12. Surface water contains options 1, salt plus organic matter, 2, only salt, 3, organic matter, 4, suspended impurities. Surface water consists of organic matter mixed up in the salt. So we can go for option 1.